Welcome to the Rundown Report, your quick catch-up on the biggest tech stories that shaped this week. From AI companies hitting the brakes to India preparing for offline UPI payments and Europe taking one of its toughest stances yet on social media. Here's everything you need to know. Now imagine making a UPI payment even when your phone has no internet connection. That's exactly what India is working towards. According to reports, the government is developing a system that would allow UPI transactions to happen completely offline. Unlike today's UPI Lite or SMS-based solutions, this technology aims to enable instant payments without relying on mobile data or Wi-Fi. If successful, it could be a game changer for rural India, areas with poor network, and emergency situations where connectivity simply isn't available. Considering UPI already process billions of transactions every month, removing the internet dependency could make India's digital payments ecosystem even more resilient and accessible. The AI race, faster isn't always better. Reports this week suggest that OpenAI delayed the release of one of its upcoming AI models after internal testing raised concerns about its capabilities and safety. The company reportedly decided to conduct additional evaluations before making the model public, highlighting how AI developers are increasingly balancing innovation with safety checks. It's a reminder that as AI becomes more powerful, companies aren't just competing on who builds the smartest model. They are also under pressure to prove those models can be deployed responsibly. The AI boom comes with an enormous price tag. According to a new report, the biggest technology companies are spending unprecedented amounts on AI infrastructure, building data centers, buying advanced chips, and expanding cloud capacity. While investors continue to reward AI ambition, this spending spree is putting pressure on one financial metric Wall Street closely watches: free cash flow. In simple terms, these companies are making huge bets today in hopes that AI will generate even bigger profits tomorrow. But until those investments begin paying off, even some of the world's richest tech giants are feeling the financial squeeze. Bigger profits tomorrow. But until those investments begin paying off, even some of the world's richest tech giants are feeling the financial squeeze. France has taken one of the strongest regulatory steps we have seen against social media. Lawmakers voted in favor of banning children under the age of 15 from accessing social media platforms, making France the first country in the European Union to pass such a law. The legislation requires platforms to implement robust age verification and remove accounts belonging to underage users. The move is aimed at addressing concerns around mental health, cyberbullying, and excessive screen time. Of course, the biggest challenge now is enforcement. Age verification has long been a difficult problem for online platforms, so the real test will be how effectively this law can be implemented. And that's your tech roundup for this week. India is working towards internet-free digital payments. AI companies are slowing down to focus on safety. Big tech is spending billions to stay ahead in the AI race, and governments are becoming increasingly aggressive in regulating social media. If you enjoyed this quick rundown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next week with another edition of the Rundown Report.